welcome back to Autocar News. Today, we're diving into a modern legend, one that blends nostalgia with cutting-edge technology. Meet the 2025 Peugeot 205 GTI, a rebirth of an icon that defined hot hatches in the 80s and 90s. Peugeot has reimagined the legendary 205 GTI for the modern era, and trust us, this isn't just a throwback, it's a revolution. Let's start with the design. Peugeot has stayed true to the original's DNA, but with a modern twist. The 2025 205 GTI is compact, aggressive, and unmistakably Peugeot. It sports a muscular stance, sharp LED lighting signatures, and flared wheel arches reminiscent of its predecessor. The front grille carries Peugeot's new illuminated badge, while a deep lower bumper hints at the car's performance capabilities. Around the back, a sculpted rear with a subtle roof spoiler and quad taillight design screams modern retro. It's a perfect mix of past and present. Now, under the hood, Peugeot has packed something special. On is the naturally aspirated four-cylinder Evoque, replaced with a cutting-edge hybrid turbocharged powertrain. The heart of the 2025 205 GTI is a 1.6-liter turbocharged inline-4, paired with a mild hybrid assist system. This combination pumps out an impressive 250 horsepower and 290 lb-ft of torque, delivered to the front wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 8-speed dual-clutch automatic. Peugeot has even included a limited slip differential, ensuring maximum grip and sharp cornering. Speaking of performance, this hot hatch is no slouch. The 205 GTI rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5.5 seconds, putting it right in the mix with modern hot hatches like the Volkswagen Golf GTI and Hyundai i30N. The hybrid assist isn't just for efficiency, it provides instant torque boost, making throttle response razor sharp. Peugeot's engineers have fine-tuned the chassis to perfection, offering an engaging, playful driving experience. With adaptive suspension and a sport-tuned exhaust system that delivers a throaty growl, every drive feels like a rally stage. Inside, Peugeot has seamlessly blended retro inspiration with futuristic tech. The cabin features a driver-focused cockpit with red-stitched Alcantara seats, a thick flat-bottomed steering wheel, and analog-inspired digital gauges. The infotainment system boasts a 10-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a dedicated GTI mode that adjusts throttle mapping, steering weight, and exhaust tone for a more aggressive drive. And for purists, Peugeot even offers a special Heritage mode that transforms the digital instrument cluster into a classic 205 GTI gauge layout. Peugeot has also embraced sustainability without sacrificing performance. The hybrid system helps improve fuel efficiency, while lightweight materials, including aluminum and carbon-reinforced plastics, reduce weight without compromising strength. Regenerative braking further enhances efficiency, making the 205 GTI not just fast but smart too. Of course, safety and technology have come a long way since the original 205 GTI, and Peugeot has equipped the 2025 model with the latest driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, emergency braking, and even a semi-autonomous driving mode make this hot hatch as practical as it is fun. And here's the best part. Peugeot isn't making this a limited edition nostalgia piece. The 2025 205 GTI is a full production model, meaning more enthusiasts will get to experience this legendary nameplate reborn. Pricing is expected to start around $35,000, and positioning it competitively in the hot hatch market. So, what do you think? Has Peugeot nailed the rebirth of the 205 GTI? Would you take this over rivals like the Honda Civic Type R or Volkswagen Golf GTI? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the world of performance cars. Stay tuned for more, and we'll catch you in the next one.